fry the fish so crispy, guys, because this is yummy if crispy fish. And then if you fry the fish, guys, don't put the, only salt and pepper. Don't put cornstarch, guys, kasi pag nilalagyan mo ng cornstarch, they will not cook very well inside. You can see, guys, so yummy. If you can see, guys, how to cook spinach, you blanch first before you fry in the garlic, and you put oyster sauce, salt, and if you have chicken powder, you can put it, guys. You can see. Yeah, so yum. Hi to everyone, welcome back to my channel, Atlantis World. If you can see, guys, dami na ng fish. I cleaned that all, guys, that fish. And then meron pa akong isa dito na natira, just only one left to clean the fish, guys. How much more if you're working in guys, in the market, like selling the fish, and then you do like this, cleaning the fish before you give to the customer. Siguro sasagit talaga yung kamay mo, but some of them naman, guys, ay hindi nila pinapalinis yung kanilang fish. So, ito kasi, guys, binigay sa amin ng kanyang pamangkin na nag-fishing. So, if you can see, marami siya, guys. Yan. Steam, and pwede siyang iprito, tapos i-steam yung some of the fish. Alam nyo, guys, pag nilinis na kasi ninyo yung fish, guys, at inilabas na ninyo sa freezer, don't put it back on the freezer, guys. Kainin na ninyo within 2 days, guys. And also, guys, na ninyo, ilagay na lang ninyo sa, hindi sa pinaka freezer, kundi doon na lang sa top ng inyong refrigerator, guys. Ganon. So, yeah. So, ang gagawin namin dito, i-steam namin yung iba, and then yung iba naman ay ipiprito namin ngayon. Tingnan nyo, guys, yan, dami na. Ay, sorry. Tsaka ito, guys, mayroon pa akong natira. Lilinisin natin. Tsaka if you can see, guys, may panglinis ako. Ganda na. Meron akong panglinis, guys. Mabilis lang linisin ng fish. Yeah. Ganon. Pag guys, ng mga fish. Mabilis siyang malinis. Tapos, guys, kailangan linisin nyo ng mabuti na walang kadugo-dugo dito, guys. So, para hindi fishy yung inyong fish. And see. Diba? Many. Puro na kami fish. Maganda ngayon, diba? It's nice to eat every fish than pork or beef or something like that, guys. Because fish. Pero depende sa fish, guys, yung gusto ko. Ayoko ng tinapay. So, ito natin. Itong mga fish na to. Ito, yung mga fish na to, Ganito talaga, guys, ang buhay abroad. Kailangan natin gawin lahat. Yeah. Kung ano yung pinapagawa sa inyo. Hindi lang yung pinapagawa, baka iba naman yung pinapagawa naman na yun. Kung over the build naman. Joke lang. That's funny. Yan. Hindi ba galing? Ganda. And then, yan. guys, this is for my video for today. Ay, maliwanag pa sa labas. Maliwanag pa sa labas. So, magluluto na ako ng aming dinner. And this is our dinner. Also, fish fry namin ngayon, guys. So, thank you for watching. See you for the next one. Ano naman, subscribe my channel, guys. Ang tagal ko nang nag-vlog. Subscribe my channel. Bye!